What's good, y'all? It's your boy Frankie T, and we are back with another video. And yes, I know it's been a while, but all I gotta say is what a year, what a year. Shout out to Big Sean, because man, has this year been really busy for me. So if you guys don't already know, I don't really, post much on social media and whatnot. But one of the goals for this, one of my biggest goals, if you've been watching my YouTube channel for a while now, is I want to get a home. I want to get a house. The housing market has went crazy over the past couple of years, and I kind of got priced out. So one of the big things I decided to do, if you watched my New Year's resolutions video, I'm very detailed with planning my goals and stuff like that. But one of the main things was that I wanted to, get a second job. A second job was kind of one of the things that I felt like I was called to do. Shout out God. So I was looking for a second job, and I finally got a second job like within like the first or second week of 2022. And so I've been working now for a couple of weeks now, both jobs, working during the day and overnights. So it's kind of hectic. Life has been pretty hectic. I've been trying to get back on this YouTube grind, but I haven't been able to, just due to time. But I'm trying to really make use of my time, because this is something I've always, ever since I started this YouTube thing, I really love it. I may not know what the hell I'm doing low-key, but I like it, and I can see myself in the future, in the next year, 2, 3, 4, 5 years doing this. So I'm really gonna dedicate myself to at least dropping one video a week. Maybe some of y'all can hold me accountable here. Some of my subscribers here, loyal subscribers, can hold me accountable. But I want to start posting my trades, my Forex trades on this channel. I want to be super transparent and just kind of document the journey as I go, because I'm not gonna lie, it's something that's just kind of like in my mind. It's very, I guess, scary to kind of just show the losses and show the wins. It's kind of hard. No one likes to lose. I don't like to lose. And so I've kind of like been holding back on that, and which is maybe why I haven't been posting and making videos too much, because that was kind of the main thing. And I know I say this all the time. That was kind of the main reason why I made this channel. I wanted to post my Forex trades and whatnot, the money I'm making, the money I'm losing and whatnot. Just to, kind of give encouragement and to whoever out there wants to trade, or kind of give my perspective and give my advice on that side, if like, trading is something that you would want to do or not want to do, or if you are doing it and you can see the mistakes that I'm making or the things that I'm doing right, it's a good way to, just enjoy and watch, and so, that's going to be one of the things that you're going to start expecting on this channel. Hopefully y'all are interested in that. If you're interested in making or losing money, you'll probably be interested in the content. But yeah, I'm back. I'm here. Most of y'all probably won't even care, because I'm a small channel, but it don't matter. You know what I'm saying? One thing about me is I really pride myself to just be in competition with myself. I know there's a lot of things going on in my life, but if you, again, because I keep plugging in this New Year's resolution video, but on that New Year's resolution video, I'm very big on, like, as me making a lot of the goals, my goals and stuff like that. I kind of break my life down into like 5-6 different areas. And this year, one of my main focuses in this year was spiritually. I just wanted to be very spiritually tapped in with God. Because last year I kind of lost that. And so this year is kind of something more that I want to be more tapped in spiritually, because for me, social media, I don't live by social media's trends or what's trending on social media or what's the thing on social media, or I don't look to social media to find certain ways I should live my life. Quick pause, you guys. So if you guys are loving the content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and turn on those post notifications. This lets us know that we're doing a good job here. So again, if you guys are loving the content, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and like this video. Go crazy, go crazy, go crazy. But we're gonna go back to the video. Appreciate y'all.
Peace.
If I do that, I live that based from the Bible. You know, I'm a Christian, so that's something that is very important to me, and I've been very tapped in with that, and I'm happy to say so far I'm feeling really good. I feel really tapped in that. And then I've been also trying to get to the gym more. That's still kind of a little bit of a struggle with everything going on, but you know, I'm trying my best. You know, like I said, I'm just trying to be better every day. And then also, you know, with finances and money, you know, with trading, you know, I've dipped on that as well, just because I haven't been putting too much time and focus towards it. But I'm saying all this to just kind of hold myself accountable, since I'm putting this on the internet, on YouTube. Everybody's going to see it. Everybody's gonna know what's up. And so I'll have my words stamped in history on this channel about what it is that I want to do. And who knows, maybe in the future, 2, 3, 4, 5 months, years from now, you know, I can go back and look at this and be like, damn, like I really said I was gonna do all this and I did it, you know. So I'm just trying to really just be as vulnerable, I guess, per se, with my life in certain areas, but at the same time just still trying to keep it very low-key. I've been really enjoying just the fact that I've been very much focused on my spiritual, physical, and, you know, mental side of my life, and really tapped into it, you know, where some things have regressed obviously in my life, but you know, like I said, I break my life into about 6 different areas, and I focus on that one area that I feel like will help me in every other area most, which spiritually I think does that, which is why I've been putting a lot of my time spiritually into just tapping into the word and just using it to help me with other things, you know, because again, that's how I want to live my life. I just want to continue to now slowly bring the other areas, kind of have some focus on that too, and make time for every area and have it all come together. You know, I'm not trying to be over here trying to be a machine and try to do all kinds of different things and be everywhere, but I just want to make sure I'm fluid and just build my habits, because obviously, you know, it takes 21 days to build a habit. The power of threes. You know, the human brain is so attached to the number 3. That's why we have things like the saying like the Father, Son, Holy Spirit. You know, you have ready, set, go, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, morning, afternoon, evening. Just many of those 3 terms. Like the human brain is very it is addicted to the patterns at 3. You know, even when it comes to trading, you know, 3 touches and up move or down move, you know what I'm saying? Like trend lines, trends, 3 touches confirms a trend. You know, the power of threes is very, very, you know, very, very strong, which makes sense because 21 days, there's 3 weeks in 21 days. And, you know, there's 3 weeks in there, 1, 2, 3 days, you know, 21 days to build a habit. So it's very interesting, you know, how much the brain is addicted to that number 3. It sees that as a pattern. So I'm just trying to, again, just bring everything together. You know, I know I'm saying a lot right now. You know, I'm just very thankful for the position that I'm at right now in these other areas of my life. Hopefully YouTube can be another one where it starts to take a bigger part in my life, and I'm able to inspire people when it comes to trading and whatnot, and hopefully start to make a good living from that. From trading and whatnot, and teaching others how to do so as well, and just be transparent, because in the forex industry is not like that. And so again, just expect to see some of these stuff coming on this channel, and you know, expect the consistency to come back. But again, much love to all the people who watch this channel. I'm very thankful for y'all, very, very thankful for my friends and my family, and just praying for a great 2022. You know, we may see the stock market start to drop, but in whatever happens, you know what I'm saying, life is still good. You know, life is still good. I try not to be too attached to these different things. As long as the necessities in my life are good, I'm happy. But without further ado, I hope you guys, learned a couple things, and I hope you guys are excited to see some of the stuff that I'll have coming. But if you are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. It's your boy Frankie T. We talk about everything money, mindset, and finance, the whole ladder. You know what I'm saying? So without further ado, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and make sure you are clear, cut, and concise in everything that you do. Peace.
2 times.
Hey, T-Mills, hey, I need that guap in my hand. 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 I need that guap in my hand.